Are you aware of how many vehicles Tesla delivered during its first quarter? It is 310,048. No, I am not joking at all. Tesla delivered 310,048 electric vehicles in the first quarter of 2022. Deliveries are the closest approximation to sales numbers reported by Tesla. Before I get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel Elon Musk Extreme for more latest videos directly in your inbox. After a rough start to 2022, Tesla shares are now up for the year as of Thursday's close. Tesla just reported first quarter vehicle production and delivery numbers for 2022. Here's how they did. Electric vehicle deliveries, total, 310,048. Electric vehicle production, total, 305,407. Over the same period last year, Tesla delivered 184,800 electric vehicles and produced 180,338 cars. Model 3 and Model Y vehicles comprised 95%, or 295,324, of deliveries in the first quarter of 2022, according to Tesla. The company produced 4,641 fewer cars than it delivered during the quarter, citing ongoing supply chain challenges and factory shutdowns. There is a lot I can say about Tesla's success, but this is it. That's all for today. I will see you in the next video with something new like this, and make sure you like, comment, and share this video with your friends so they can also enjoy the best moments with you. Have fun and stay healthy always.